Live an optimal life, through health and wellness. Be well, get well, and stay well.
Let's talk Nrf2 in 90 seconds. We know 3 things. 1, cells have the same structure. 2, cells duplicate. 3, the body is designed to heal and repair. And our last universal truth, every body ages. Aging is the process where the body's ability to fight back or ability to repair decreases over time. When that is being consistently overwhelmed by toxins and stressors, it deteriorates. Now, let's talk the cat in the hat. So the cat in the hat, if you remember the childhood story, he goes into the house, they mess it up to no end, and then he calls out his friends, thing 1 and thing 2, to help clean it up before mother gets home. So when your house looks like this, you can imagine how you're feeling. We call in thing number 2. Thing number 2 is in charge of cleaning. He vacuums, he dusts, and he takes out the garbage. Now your house looks like this. How much different and better do you feel? So Nrf2, it is the protein in every cell. It releases the antioxidant, anti-inflammatories, and takes out the garbage. So that is what Nrf2 is. It cleans. So what we want to do is we want to wake it up. As we age, it decreases. So we want to wake it up. We want it to be activated, to be cleaning. The best example I can think of is your children. When they get up, you want them to get up and do their chores, right? And so they are activated on their own. And when you do activate that, you are supporting the body's natural ability to repair its own cells. You are lowering cell damage. You are neutralizing more than 1 million free radicals, which are toxins. We are supporting the body's natural ability to rejuvenate its own cells and help the body to detoxify genes. Flip the switch, feel better, and do more. And that's Nrf2 in 90 seconds. Thanks for watching, and remember, one change can have an enormous effect. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell and the like, and we'll see you next time on Love to Live.